I've been working on this for so long. Susie wanted her blanket 6 months ago. Oh no. Ah, I messed up my stitch. How do I fix this? How is this all I've done? It's a month later and I'm still not complete. This takes forever. If only there was a way to do it faster and more efficiently. Hey, Stacy girl. Hey, Jasmine.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to finish this blanket for Susie, but...
Blanket?
Yeah. Or it's a sweater. I don't know. It's been so long.
I got the new sewing machine.
The new what?
It's a Singer too. It's great. It has everything you need.
Whoa, how does it work?
You just press the foot pedal and then you just sew away.
Wow!
It's great.
That's amazing! Look at this blanket I was able to complete in just 5 weeks. Thanks to Jasmine. This is great!
Thanks to Ellis Howe, the Singer sewing machine is the best invention yet. You can get yours today for just a down payment of $10.95. The Sewing Machine. Faster, cheaper, better.